Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I have an extraordinary piece of fish here. It is a yellowtail amberjack. It has different type of name. What's interesting is kind of like a tuna, you know. You can see the skin, kind of a tuna. And this is raised, aquaculture, it's raised in tank. And it's really, really firm and good. So I have that piece here. I'm remove the bone from the center here. Take that piece out here. That's just absolutely beautiful. The front part of it is also usually prized for the sushi because the belly is always the best part from the sushi, and I'm doing a raw piece of fish here for my wife and I for dinner. So I'm gonna put for two plates here, a little bit of salt in the center, not much because I'm going to put some soy on top of it, and a little bit of this, and I'm going to cut about, I would say, I'm gonna use about 2.5 ounces per person, maybe just about 3 slices like this, and that's more than enough as a first course, maybe even too much. So the other one here, again. You know, if you cut it slightly thicker than I do, it really doesn't matter. But that fish is extremely firm. Here it is here. That part here. And this part here. So you know, often when I have a party at home, this is what I do. I do a plate, I put a piece of plastic wrap, I put this one on top, another one, I do half a dozen like this, and this is it. I put that in my refrigerator until I'm ready to serve it. So you have 2 here. When I'm ready to use it, I'm gonna put some wasabi in there. The dry wasabi, as you know, it's a thing used in Japanese cooking. I have half a teaspoon here that I'm going to put for two. Putting it on top of it here. Usually the wasabi is diluted with water, you know, but I do it this way here. So I use almost half a teaspoon for 2. Then about a teaspoon, I would say, per person of the soy. Maybe a little dash of paprika on top, just for give me a little bit of taste and color. And then with the same amount of olive oil and paprika. And that does a beautiful mixture on top, which I will finish up with a bit of chives from my garden that I have here. Here we go. This is fit for a king. A carpaccio of amberjack for dinner tonight. Happy cooking.